Hi, I'm Meghan Moroney. I practice entertainment law. The question I probably get the most often is, I am a writer, filmmaker, actor, songwriter, recording artist, etc., fill in the blank. What do I need to do first? Should I get an agent, a manager, or an attorney? How do I build my team? So the answer to that question is to always get an attorney first. An attorney can advise you as to any deals that an agent or manager will offer you and tell you if it's a good deal, if it's a fair deal, if this is the type of person that you want to be working with, maybe give you advice if you have no idea how to find an agent or a manager. And the reason you want to find an attorney first is once you commit to an agent or manager, it's much harder to get rid of them. An attorney, we have subject to ethical codes where if you want to fire us, you can fire us. We can't force you to stay with us. Managers and agents, their agreements usually are going to run for a term of 1 to 3 years typically. A lot of times managers have options which they can exercise to extend the term of the agreement, so if you're not happy it can be really hard to get out of that deal. Also, agents and managers, a lot of times their commission can actually go on forever. So anything they work on during the term. So say you're a recording artist and you get a recording deal during the term of your management deal, that manager can get their commission on that recording agreement forever. So all the money you get from that deal is always subject to commission. An attorney can point that out in the agreement, can negotiate maybe a sunset clause to bring that commission down or maybe eliminate it eventually. So you definitely want to have an attorney watching out for your best interests there. Bring in an attorney as soon as possible. It's sometimes difficult because when you're starting out as a filmmaker, especially a documentary filmmaker, there's no money, there's none. So you really want to find an attorney who maybe is passionate about the project, willing to work on maybe a deferred basis. So reach out to everyone post on Twitter or Facebook and find friends that maybe have attorney connections, and find someone who's willing to work with you. Find someone who maybe shares a passion. So if you're doing a documentary about something, do your research, try to find an attorney that maybe shares the same passion. If you have a film that's ready to go, in order to sell, you'll probably want to find an agent. Like I said before, an attorney can help you with that. Also, an attorney is going to make sure all the paperwork's in order and make sure that you actually have all the rights that you need to have in your film. So all the locations that you film at, all the people that you film, you need permission in most circumstances. And the attorney can tell you what kind of agreements you need, what kind of releases you need, and get that paperwork together so that you have all of your rights in order, because you can never sell any kind of project if you don't have clear chain of title, if you don't have all the intellectual property rights that you need. So the attorney is an absolute must in that area.